Nan, babo ako balen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon pong aldong ngayon, may invite kami kening retail shop kening Angeles City. Actually, this is our second time to feature them.
Yes.
Pero yung first time tamo, achuya kayong San Fernando. Ngayon, achuya mo kayong Angeles City.
So ini is located dyan kitang first floor nitong Hallmark building, Miranda Street, Barangay Sto.Rosario, Angeles City.
O ita, so apin po yun yung clothing rack by KM. So abayan nyo kami po lang tamo. Pakit nila nga ding titindada kaya kayo.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so guys, sabi ni yung clothing rack by KM, sabi ko pin kaya kayo na. From the inside, my first impression, of course, as you know, a male, medyo pang girling kayo nila.
Yes, feeling ko more on pambabae.
More on pambabae.
Pero let's see, pala mo, tipan lalaki rin pala kayo ni.
Wow, actually, tingong na din section din na bala mo pang lalaki mo naman. Pero majority, for sure, retang kikay, makanyan na. Mag-enjoy lang yun. So, tala, ditak-ditak. So, although sinabi ko kayo nandun, medyo pangkikay yung store na. May nakit kong lugar para kareng. Panlalaki. Check these out, guys. So,
Kumbaga, toys for the big boys.
yeah, toys for the big boys. So, I think
Car accessories.
car accessories, stickers, what else? Keychains, emblems, sampung decals, salawang decals, mga yan. Right. Lantan na rin ang pangkikay. Yung akit ko kini more on girls shorts. Atin mo naman bag. Pang summer wears. Bathing suits. Ampong na ano pa. Reta ng bathing suits daw, okay? Okay, but atin mo naman actually non-RTWs. Like for example, then cosmetics. Wow, surprisingly eating food. Ayan, ating guy. Aslam, ampong nanlareta. Sambal paste, mga yan. Kibat kini banda. Kinilaretang cosmetics. So you have your lip tints, your lip balm, ating pabanglu. Atin mo naman oil-based perfume. Essentials, ayan.
So kaya namang portion na ini, siyempre, ng panlalaki. So titamong t-shirts kayo ni, siyempre usula rin dito stripes, plain shirts. So at the same time, atin din ditong usong shorts ngayon, ditong summer shorts. Yun yun. There we go. Then yung aus ng board short or sweatshirts. So, pamili tam, po atin tanga ko.
So, paksabinta na naman dito ang owners na rin clothing rack by KM. So, kaya beta na rin ni guys ang nga chuta mo San Fernando. Ma'am Crizia, tsaka Sir James. So, thank you so much po for inviting us. Karing customers tamo, sikat niya talaga yung clothing rack po niya. Pero, may kilala po yung kay San Fernando branch tamo.
San Fernando.
Okay.
Yung first San Fernando, tapos Guagua, parang stall lang. Small stall lang. Tapos ito yung Angeles, yung biggest
Biggest so far.
so far.
So, congratulations. When did it open?
August 8.
2019. Okay, and then,
Actually, same lang yung San Fernando. Pero mas maragol din. So, mas expect nila mas maragol yung market. Since
Yes.
in Angeles, mas madagol yan yung San Fernando. Hallmark Building, Miranda Street, Barangay Sto.Rosario, Angeles. Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8.
Okay.
Tapos, pag Sunday, 1 to 8.
Julina, Kapampangan po o Tagalog. Okay, so first time niyo po bang makapunta dito? So far, ano yung experience mo? Ano yung impression?
Nagandaan ako sa mga damit.
Ayan, sweet. Okay. So, Sir James, so for this, like, can you estimate mo magkano yan?
Bro, nasa 1.5 lang.
1,500. How many items?
7, 8, 9, 10 items.
10 items around 1.5. Just an estimate, no? So yung ma'am, sulit na yan. Thank you so much po for sharing your experience. Okay.
Agkatanda kayo po, kining clothing rack, butik po, kining Angeles, and kahaba yung branch ni. Malakal kami po bayo, halos for summer na po kung atin kayo pong puntalan, 5 days, 3 days, kini yunangan po sa luwan. Swimsuit, cover up, sandals, bag.
Best OOTD sa Tin po kayo.
Opo, Tin po Kenny. Kenny yun po pantunan, Kenny pong Angeles branch kasi ini po itang peka-kompletong malan. Opo. Atin kami rin po king San Fernando, yung kahamumo namin pong branch. San Fernando, located dyan po king Jomafer Building, Barangay Dolores, City of San Fernando. And atin kami rin po king Guagua. Kanya rin po Robinsons, Bagwaya rin po.
For all you girls out there naman into OOTD or itang summer wear you, make sure to check out ini. Or even na itang lalaki mo naman na pang regalo da ka rin.
Regalo ka ng girlfriends.
Exactly.
Or mismo karela din. Dahil natin naman boys section din.
So if you want to know more about their products, check out the fan page that we're gonna tag. Okay, but if you want to do business with them, make sure to call itang number na include me mo naman. So thank you for watching here in Pampanga.
Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys. Bye.